Okay, Shima girls, as promised, here's my tutorial. Now, I'm going to demonstrate the proper way to apply my Shima Girl Beauty Anti-Aging Face Oil. Yes, we're going to be adding some powerful organic ingredients into our skin that is going to help us nourish our skin and improve our skin barrier. Now, here are the powerful organic ingredients from my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil. For example, it contains jojoba, it contains rose petals and apricot and plant-based ingredients, like turmeric, chamomile, green tea, and my powerhouse antioxidant ingredient, vitamin C. So the first step is this. First, you need to properly cleanse your skin. That's right. Let's not skip this step ever, ladies. If we're going to do this right, properly cleanse your skin, okay, Shima girls? And that's where my Shima Girl Beauty Coffee Sugar Scrub comes in first. Before we begin using anything else, we have to properly cleanse our skin first. Okay, when using my Shima Girl Beauty products, properly cleanse your skin first before you use the next product. So yes, we need to open up those pores, and my coffee sugar scrub will definitely deliver on that. So skip the soaps, ladies, and grab your Shima Girl Beauty Coffee Sugar Scrub. Okay, soap contains sulfates, and we're not looking to strip our skin. We're looking to exfoliate our skin. We're looking to moisturize our skin. We're going to remove those dead skin cells and also combat those fine lines, those wrinkles, and even stretch marks. Yes, it works for stretch marks too, my coffee sugar scrub. So get on top of those stretch marks, Shima girls. My coffee sugar scrub contains, of course, coffee. It contains brown sugar. It contains squalene. And it contains my Shima shea butter along with coconut oil and vitamin E. So yes, Shima girls, we exfoliate first. We exfoliate our skin by applying my Shima Girl Beauty Coffee Sugar Scrub. After we remove the coffee sugar scrub, we're going to gently pat our face with a clean paper towel. Don't use your old bathroom towels, ladies, unless it is 100% new. Unless that bathroom towel is 100% new, that you just bought it, don't use no old bathroom towels. Because remember, our goal is to avoid cross-contamination every step of the way. And those bathroom towels, again, the used ones are a breeding ground for cross-contamination, for bacteria, for germs, and we don't want that on our skin. Okay, we were trying to get rid of all of that stuff from our skin so that our skin can be exfoliated, so that our skin can get all the good stuff from the products. Okay, so I personally opt for a clean piece of paper towel, and I use it to pat my face. But one important part you need to keep in mind is not to completely dry your face either. Leave it slightly damp or just damp, okay? You can literally skip the paper towel, and you can also leave it just damp. Now, this is because face oils work best on damp skin. If you apply oils and face oil to completely dry skin, it will not absorb 100% into your skin. It will absorb, but not 100%. And we don't want that. We want our Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil to absorb 100% into our skin. So let's leave the face damp, okay? Let's leave it damp or slightly damp, all right? Now, the second step is to lightly spray your face with my Shima Girl Beauty Face Toner. Yes, this is the second step. After we cleanse our face with our Shima Girl Beauty Coffee Sugar Scrub, we're going to grab our Shima Girl Beauty Face Toner and gently spray all throughout our face and neck and all those good spots. My Shima Girl Beauty Face Toner, you're going to see, it's such a refreshing feeling, ladies. It's so refreshing when the spray hits your face and all throughout your skin, especially if you leave the product inside the refrigerator, so that way it can maintain its cool temperature and you feel that coolness spraying throughout your skin. Oh, it feels magnificent, Shima girls. Now leave it at the bottom part of the refrigerator, not at the top, not in the freezer part, ladies. We don't want it to freeze. We just want the contents to stay cool, not frozen. Now, this face toner is vegan, cruelty-free. It's homemade. It's a homemade face toner, okay, Shima girls? I make it at home as well. And it is extremely hydrating. It is alcohol-free, and it's just the thing to balance our skin's pH level. Yeah, all that good stuff. Heck, you can continue to use it throughout the day to keep on refreshing and hydrating your skin. That's how safe it is to use on the skin. Okay, there's no drying alcohol ingredient, none of that bad stuff. And so it's safe and excellent to use all day. And why? Well, I use very minimal ingredients in my Shima Girl Beauty Face Toner. Therefore, this fact makes it a very clean formula that is safe for all skin types and also safe to use all day. Now, the ingredients that it contains is rose water, star anise, aloe vera gel, green tea extract, and vitamin C. So just 5 ingredients there. Okay, so after we do that, after we exfoliate our skin with my Shima Girl Beauty Coffee Sugar Scrub, which is step number 1, and then we follow it up with my Shima Girl Beauty Face Toner, which is step number 2, now we can apply my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil. So let's do that, shall we, ladies? Now, don't allow the dropper to touch your skin. Avoid cross contamination at all times. As long as your hands have been sanitized as well, you can simply add a few drops to your fingertips and gently press. Don't rub, but press. Yeah, just gently press using the clean pads of your fingers. Don't rub, ladies, but gently just press. Press, just like you see me doing here. Yeah, just gently press using the clean pads of your fingers throughout your forehead, your cheeks, your nose, and anywhere else you need it. Okay? Including your neck and even the back of your hands. See how smooth the back of my hands are? That's what we want. That smoothness. Okay, so let's not forget our neck area. Let's not forget the back of our hands. The neck area especially is where, the aging process really gives us away. For some of us ladies, that's a big deal. So that's why I'm bringing it up. The neck area literally gives the real age away. So let's get that oil in there. Let's get that oil in there. Also, ladies, keep in mind, we don't need to apply too much oil on our skin. Usually 1, 2, no more than 3 to 4 drops, okay? Around 3 to 4 drops should definitely be the maximum, when we're applying Mashima Girl Beauty Face Oil onto our skin. That's all our skin needs, ladies. 3 to 4 drops maximum, and sometimes even 1. It just depends on what your skin type needs. Okay, we need to understand that oils are highly concentrated. So that's why a little goes a long way. Now, here's some tips that I'm going to give you, ladies, so that you can get the very best results by using my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil. The best time in the day to apply my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil is actually going to be in the nighttime. Now, why is that? Well, this is because our bodies produce way less sebum and oil on its own in the nighttime. So yes, this is when our skin is the driest at nighttime. Who would have thought? Also, some of us need to apply sunscreen during the daytime. And so if we apply the face oil onto our face, the face oil may actually interfere with our sunscreen. And we definitely don't want that. No interference when it comes to taking care of our skin, ladies. If you don't want that sun to be causing you harm to your skin, then skip the face oil in the daytime. Okay, let's try to apply the face oil at night. All right, so here's the deal. Apply my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil either during the evening when you're home from work, from school, or any outing, or better yet, again, at nighttime when you know for a fact that you're going right to sleep, or if you're going to stay in bed, watching TV or reading your favorite book, that's the best time to apply it. Understand that if you have your AC on, your air conditioner, or your heaters on, that will also contribute to the drying out of your skin. Even during at night, when the AC is blowing or when the heater is blowing, that also contributes to the drying out of our skin. So remember, not only do our bodies produce less sebum and oils at night, but now we have ACs and heaters to worry about as well. So yes, 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 definitely apply my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil at night and avoid those problems completely. So, as a refresher, here are 3 simple words to keep in mind when using my face oil. Cleans, toner, face oil. Let me repeat that. Cleans, toner, face oil. Cleans with my Shima Girl Beauty Coffee Sugar Scrub. Follow it up with my Shima Girl Beauty Face Toner. And then follow it up with my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil. Well, I hope that you found my Shima Girl Beauty Face Oil tutorial helpful, ladies. If you still have questions, go ahead and type your questions in the comment sections. Okay, this is so exciting. We're going to get our skin looking young, healthy, blemish-free, acne-free, wrinkle-free, fine line-free, crow's feet-free, and we're just going to feel so good about ourselves when our skin is looking good and amazing, our hair is looking good and amazing. Our self-esteem is going to be through the roof. We're going to walk up straight with our chins held high, and we're going to be so proud of ourselves. That's right, you are real Shima Girl Beauty representing. Take care, Shima Girl. See you soon.